Hey there everyone, and welcome back to another lesson for Canva from basic to advanced. For this lesson, I'll be going ahead and teaching you about cover photo editing. This is lesson number 17. So let's go ahead and get started with our lesson. So to start off, I've opened up Canva over here and I opened up a Facebook cover photo image over here. So I'm just going to use this preset over here and load it up. Now this is for fashion. As you can see, you have the Wardiri Incorporated fashion sale up to 60% off book now. Instead of that, I'm just going to go to, let's say, elements over here, go to photos, and search a selfie, or search for a suit. As you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and remove this part over here, or I can go ahead and edit photo over here, or edit photo over here. I can go ahead and remove the photo if I want to. I can go ahead and delete it if I want to, but I want to go remove the photo. But as you can see, there's an apply colors to page as well, so I can apply this towards the page as well, but I don't want that. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this, and I'm just going to go ahead and drag and drop this over here, as you can see. Then I'm going to apply colors to page, and as you can see, it changed dramatically. So let's say this is me over here. I'm an influencer. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead, delete everything over here. I'll keep it as it is, as you can see. Then I'm going to put some text over here, okay? There you go. I alternated between everything. So here, let's say I use my influencer alias name. Let's just make up a name. For example, let's say Zeno Zapper, okay? Let's say Zeno Zapper. There you go. Now I'm just going to have a body of text over here. Cover banner. Now let's say you're an influencer, you talk about like life stories, riches, how you can earn money, right? So let's say you talk about those kind of things, and so let's say I will write about those things in a quote. So thy shall not move forward when thy is looking at thy's Beckett memories. Or I can just make it much more simpler. You will never be able to move forward when you are still looking at your past. So there you go. That will be all. I'll just paste this over here, paste this over here, and as you can see, it's done. This is a very simple, straightforward cover banner. Now I can just keep on changing it, keep on changing it, keep on changing it. This looks good as well. This also looks good. This, not so much. This one also looks good. I'll just go with this one. So as you can see, it's very much simple to create like cover banners. Now, if you want to create something else, something like completely different, there's also another way that you can do that as well. So I'm just going to add a new page and work with this page instead of that page over there. So I'll just go ahead and I'll just use a grid instead of everything else. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go to elements over here. I'm going to reset my filter over here, and underneath grids over here, I'm going to click on, and I'm going to go for a grid which has 4 images over here, as you can see. There you go. We now have 4 images to work with. Now I'm just going to go to photos over here. Not that one. I'm just going to photos over here, then underneath over here, I'm just going to add a new color. And this is the filter. So underneath photos over here, I'm just going to add a filter here. So I want all to be vertical, static, and I'll just select the black color for now. Now, as you can see, you'll see most of the pictures here to be a bit more darkish. Now, after selecting it, let's say I can now select my separate images, let's say like this. And there you go. Once that is done, I will just go ahead, change the color of the background to, let's say, pitch black. And there you go. Now, once that is done, I am just going to be changing down a few things. There you go. Now, once these are done, as you can see, you can go ahead, add in more elements, add in more stuff, text, designs, look much more better. Over here, I'll just go to effects. I'll just go use the background remover. This one as well. I'll go to effects. I'll go to background remover. This one. And that works perfectly. I'm just going to click on done. This one as well. I'm just going to go to effects, go to background remover. Perfect. So as you can see, you can also create your banner, cover banner for your Facebook over here like this. You can also do the same for Twitter, Instagram, and many more. Like any kind of post, you can use grid system. You can use these systems to create unique banners and posts. So that will be all for this lesson, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.